going to take off our 6 21mm lug nuts. All right, so we're going to use the 10mm and take this off. We're going to take off this safety clip. There's an ear on this side. Just grab that, slide this right out. 18mm. $19mm. Hit this with your hammer. Awesome. We're just going to try to pry up on this tab right here to spread it so we can get the ABS wire out. That gives us plenty of slack on the ABS wire now. Use your push pin removal tool. Slide it along here. Get that push pin out of there. This one right down here. Same thing. That's going to give us plenty of room. We're going to come right up here. Do the same thing right up here. And that just opens this up to give us room. Perfect. So we're going to spray this bolt right here with some penetrant. Use your 12mm socket. So now we're just going to lift this up a little bit, get it out of its spot so it can move. We're going to put our 19mm socket on this and a 19mm wrench on this side. This is a long bolt, goes all the way through. Wrench, 19 socket, try to get this washer so it stays down along the control arm as you try to bring this bolt up and through. Just keep wiggling it around. Should want to draw up. All I'm trying to do is bring the bolt up this way and make it so it comes out this far enough. So we're just going to grab our big bolt here, put it so it's up and in there, and it's ready to start going through. Grab your control arm, get it lined up with the bolt hole here, start working the bolt down through. Awesome. We've got our washer, nut, we're going to snug this right up. So we're just going to take this, I've got a pry bar, go straight through, make this parallel to where it would sit if the vehicle was on the ground. 19mm wrench, 19mm socket. We'll torque that down to manufacturer's specification. We're going to torque this down to 118 foot-pounds. Okay. Torqued. grab this. At this point, you're just gonna line this up. Try to get your nuts started on there. All right, let's snug this up. All right, now we're gonna torque it down. Torque this down to 81 foot-pounds. So we're going to put our cotter pin through. Make sure you bend it. Give it a little bonk. Nice. We've got our 12mm head bolt. It's going to go right up here. Just get your line situated back where it needs to go. Tight. We've got our little 10mm head bolt. Goes right up here. Tight. Here's sway bar link. That through. Snug that up. We're going to torque this down. Torque this down to 52 foot-pounds. Torqued. Let's clip this back in. This side. Perfect. So let's get the wheel up on here. All right. We're just going to bottom these out real quick. Now we'll bring it down, torque it up. All right, so let's torque down these lug nuts with our 21mm socket to 83 foot-pounds. And go crisscross. All right, awesome.